Hello, I'm Manuele Bosetti. I'm the General Manager of the Italian Chamber of Commerce here in Hong Kong and Macau. I'm very happy this year to have organized, on behalf of the Italian Chamber of Commerce here in Hong Kong, our first edition of Made in Italy Quality and Lifestyle, which is the new version of our yearly program Italy Quality and Lifestyle that has been promoting the excellence of Italy in food, beverage, design, fashion, cars and many other typical products. And this year we were very lucky to have a special sponsor, and our main sponsor was Menarini. So I would like to thank you, Menarini, for the support to our event. Thanks.
So, first question is, why did Menarini choose to be the main sponsor for the Italian Chamber's Made in Italy Festival?
I think this festival or event is very nice, and it creates a great opportunity for us to understand more about the fascinated and sophisticated lifestyle and Italian culture. So we take this as a good opportunity to work together as an Italian company, and then we join the event. And we wish all the success for all the event hold in the same period during the Italian Made in Italy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when was Menarini established in Asia? Because we know it is originally from Italy,
Yeah.
and you have a strong Italian root.
Yeah.
But then we know it was established in Asia. And what did it mean in terms of strategy for your company?
Yeah, and the story starts from 2011 when Menarini Group acquired Invida, and then we start our journey to expose Menarini Group in the whole world. Mainly, it allowed Menarini Group to pursue two major strategic opportunity or objectives. The first one is the research, and the second one is the internationalizations. You know, as a pharmaceutical company, we aim to develop and produce the best quality and the most important healthcare brands for the people. So research is our major part. Once we develop the drugs, the second strategic objective is to make the drug available to the world and to the Asia Pacific. And this is the major two tasks that Menarini Group would like to pursue our exposure in Asia Pacific.
Okay, so apart from Hong Kong, sorry, this is not here. Apart from Hong Kong, in which other countries in Asia are you present at the moment?
I think most of the countries you can mention, we have our office or our operation over there. Mainly start from China, India, and then Thailand, Philippines, Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore, and also we aim to expose into some more market in the coming future. Though right now we have the coverage. For example, like Sri Lanka, Cambodia. This is the country we have the operation right now, but we will gradually build up our exposure office over there.
Okay. What are the goals that Menarini is trying to reach with relations to the Asian and Hong Kong markets?
Yeah.
Like, for example, is your headquarter here in Hong Kong? Or do you have any products specifically target for Hong Kong or Asian markets?
Menarini Asia Pacific, the headquarters is located in Singapore.
Okay.
And this office is the Menarini Hong Kong office. The major strategic objective for the company is being the largest Italian-based biopharmaceutical company in the world. We aim to develop the most important and also research-based healthcare brands to Asia Pacific to improve the lives in Asia Pacific. We also aim to cater the needs of the physician and also patients or customer in the Asia Pacific to serve them, to provide our drugs and also our service for them. Actually, in Asia Pacific or almost in Hong Kong, right now our product mainly cover several major areas. For example, the cardiovascular problem. We are talking about the gastroenterology products, consumer healthcare product, and also we are talking about the other antibiotics, respiratory product to the patient in Hong Kong, in Asia Pacific.
What does being an Italian company mean for Menarini in terms of added value?
Yeah, I think Menarini, like most of the Italian company in the world, we have a strong historical presence in the world, and we are rich in tradition, in partnering, and we also aim to provide the best quality product and service to the patient, to the people. And innovation is one of our parts that we aim to provide the product through innovation to further improve the lives in Asia Pacific as well as in Hong Kong.
Does the products of Menarini are they developed in Italy and then they expand in other markets, or do you have separate facilities for research and development? Do you develop also in Asia?
Yeah, actually we have our research and development center located mostly in Italy, but we also have some other R&D center in the other countries. As said, we also have our manufacturing plant mainly located in Italy, but also in some other European countries. So to ensure the best quality of product in the market, and I'm foresee in the long run we also exploit and searching for other investment opportunity in Asia Pacific, even the manufacturing sites.
Okay, but for like at the moment, all the pharmaceutical products are manufactured in Europe.
Yeah, mainly.
So
in
there
Europe.
is the quality standard of European.
Yes.
Okay, so which is the best quality.
Yeah, best
standard.
class product. Yeah.
Okay, what is your opinion about the presence of Italian multinational companies in Hong Kong?
Actually, I'm looking forward to see more and more Italian company presence in Hong Kong. As I mentioned, being the world's largest Italian biopharmaceutical company in the world, we develop and produce the best quality product in pharmaceutical market to improve the life in Asia Pacific. Actually, like the other Italian company, we will smartly invest in Asia Pacific, continue to invest not only in our organization, but we also take the opportunity to introduce new and also important healthcare brands in Hong Kong market to cater the needs of the physician and patients. Now, for example, in the coming future, we will introduce a men's health product that is helping those patients or the people suffering from premature ejaculation. We will have cardiovascular product, and also we will also have drugs to help those patients suffering from erectile bowel syndrome in Hong Kong.
Are these products already available, or is it the first time these kinds of products will be introduced in Hong Kong?
The cardiovascular product and also we are so-called IBS product has available in Hong Kong. In the third quarter in this year, we will launch the men's health product. I mentioned that premature ejaculation disease. This is the so-called Pelagy. This product will launch in the third quarter in this year.
Okay, let's be more informal. Why did you choose to work for Menarini?
This is my glad and also proud to be a member of Menarini. Not only because of the historical presence, but also for our four core values. starting from integrity, customer focus, sense of urgency, and also ambitious. This company also is so great, committed on people, staff, and so this is one of the company I'm dream to work for.
Okay. How long have you been working for Menarini?
Almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And in these 5 years, have you ever traveled to Italy often? Do you go to Italy on business trip or vacations for pleasure?
Not quite often, but I have various times experience, not only because of my leisure traveling, but also business trip. Actually, I'm very impressed by the long history of Italy, the architecture, and also the people, the passion, and also enthusiastic that you can find in most of the Italians. And last but not least, I'm also like to mention about the innovation. It is well reflected in the fashion and the car industry.
Is there a favorite city you'd like to go to? Is there your favorite Italian city? What would that be?
I think the first cities that I have experienced before when I have leisure traveling is Florence, because it is also our headquarters of Menarini located.
Yeah, it's beautiful, city. Okay, thank you very much for your time with us today, and we, on behalf of the Italian Chamber, we would really love to thank you and your company for what you've done to help us with the Made in Italy Festival. We hope to bring a little bit of Italy and what you see in Italy and what Italy is in Menarini to Hong Kong, to show the people of Hong Kong how good our country is. So we thank you very much for your support in all of this, and we can thank you, and we can finish the interview.
Yeah, and you're welcome. Actually, we joined ICC in 2012, and starting from this period, we work closely with ICC, not only in Hong Kong but in Singapore. Yeah, we also won some awarded by ICC in Singapore, and so this year I start from this idea because of the Italy, the National Day, and then I work with ICC to understand you have the Italian market, and so I think it is good to increase more collaboration between Menarini and also ICC. So this is also, as I mentioned, we are so honored to join the event, participate in different events within a period of time.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time again.
Yeah.